Hi, this is Zak Mir, editor of Spreadbet Magazine, with a look at the three major indices in the wake of the recent emerging markets currency crisis and in the run-up to the latest Fed tapering announcement for January. And we have a rising trend channel on the daily chart of the FTSE since August, bull trap retreat after a breakthrough 68.19 October resistance and near vertical move within the rising August channel, implying a return to at least 64.60, which is the floor of the channel, and possibly a bit lower towards, say, 6300 October support, or even lower. So a very negative picture there for the FTSE, and you wouldn't really want to go long of it or think of going long of it until we reach the floor of the channel and see how the market reacts from there. Moving on to the Dow. And here we can see quite a sharp breakdown as well after the unfilled gaps to the upside in December, consolidation, and then the breakdown. The likelihood here is we'll probably see a repeat of what we saw in October, where the 200-day moving average came in as support. That is now up to 15,443, and that is a target for the US stock average, and probably the safest, inverted commas, safest place to go long from this point. It's still around 400 points below where we are at the moment. Finishing off with the S&P, and you can see there was an extended attempt to try and clear 1850, which failed over the course of late December, early January, and then a bit of a dance around the 20-day moving average, 1832, but all of that has failed. We've seen a near vertical dive for this market back below 1800, and really the earliest you'd be thinking of going long now is probably 1750, which is the floor of a rising June trend channel. Plenty of bearish divergence. We're not quite oversold yet either. The RSI is still at 34, so possibly one new leg to the downside at least. And as in the case of the FTSE, you can't guarantee there won't be an overshoot to the downside, say in this case back down towards the 200-day moving average of 1702. But basically at the moment 1750 is the minimum that you expect on the downside, and that's the target to go for at the moment. That's it for me. See you again next time.